am published author, registered psychotherapist, and my book, The Unseen Wisdom of the Unborn, and my second book is coming, The Need for Disease. I have been working since last 22 years with hundreds and thousands of clients, where I have worked from simple anxiety to psychosis, that is schizophrenia, paranoia, and with a very high success rate, also a disintegration of tumor. And I have come across so many things during my work with these clients that I felt this urge to share my experience about what you can do about coronavirus. So basically, first of all, the more anxious you are going to get, there are better chances that you are going to attract that thing in your life unconsciously. Because Dr. Meinhold did his research and he found that every fatal accident can be an unconscious form of committing suicide. Why that person has to be there that very second, not few seconds before and not few seconds after. Having that said, we know that when somebody has anxiety, then your body looks for accident. So when you have anxiety that this can happen, it means you have a desires, unconscious desires that this should happen. So if you are going to attract this kind of anxiety, it can take you to the people, to the situations, to the circumstances where you are more prone to attract these kind of bacteria, these kind of problems in your life. Because there has been research and very few people know about it, that when a contagious disease is presented, then our immune system consults with unconscious psyche level, and if unconscious psyche level says yes, then the disease is accepted, otherwise it is rejected. Where you are touching right now, there is a probability, very high probability, that there is coronavirus, there is AIDS virus, or there is a papilloma virus. When there is a requirement of a disease, then our mind sends the signal, then that virus, those cells transform and create that disease. Because we know that our cells can communicate with each other. Our cells can communicate from 100,000 to 120,000 biophotons per second, which is very superior to the velocity of light. So if one cell is doing something different, other cells know. So what we need to do, we need to be calm, we need to relax, and we need to make peace with ourselves. So what you need to do, just go and make peace in your heart with your parents. If you have someone who is bothering you, just forgive him and try to be in complete harmony. Do not panic, just relax, just calm down, and trust me, everything is going to be all right. Of course, this thing is going to work in more than 90% of the cases, but there are some exceptions. I cannot control it. But in my whole life, I have worked. Those who are very close to me, they understand that how my life has been very, very much connected with inner self and bring, those opportunities in my life. So everything is going to be all right. Just calm down, just relax, be in peace with your body, talk to your body, tell your cells that everything is all right, and I'm sure that nothing is going to happen. So maintain yourself calm, don't get anxious, don't get panic, just do not take unnecessary risk. When you need to do something which is urgent, ask yourself, because your unconscious mind knows what is happening, because we are not completely aware of ourselves. If we could use the complete power of our mind, we will be living on a much different level. So this is what I am inviting you to connect with your inner self and ask your inner self, if you want to do that thing, is it the right thing or not? And then the answer will come, and follow that answer, which others call it intuition, but I call it sense of perception, because sense of perceptions work 24/7. And I'm sure that you can easily avoid places or circumstances or people who are carrying this virus, and you are not going to make that connection with them. So do that, and if you have any questions and if you have any comments, just write it, and I will be more than happy to help you. God bless you.